Hey guys, it's your boy Keys. Welcome back. We're live on CoinMarketCap announcement. We have Trader Wagon Airdrop here. It's currently on. They'll be giving out 1,000 USDT the prize pool for participants. This is a full on end campaign. So all you need to do is to follow Trader Wagon on your social media handles and you're good to go. So basically, the $1,000 community airdrop from Trader Wagon official. So how to win? Follow them on Trader Wagon on Twitter. Join their community Telegram, follow Facebook page, register in this form to qualify. So one person who retweet this will win an additional $50. So both new and existing Trader Wagon users are eligible to participate in this airdrop. So giveaway period is going to run from January 19, 2022, 08 UTC to January 30th, 2022, 23, 59, 59 UTC. So it's basically towards the end of January. That's when this airdrop campaign is going to be ending. So 100 qualified participants will be selected at random and they are eligible to win 10 USDT each. So that gives you about 1,000 USDT as stated here. Aside these, one lucky participant will also be getting a $50 reward. So for those people who do not understand what Trader Wagon is a trading platform, a social trading platform, which connects lead traders and copy traders together. So on Trader Wagon, anyone regardless of experience can trade like a top trader by simply copying what the top traders do. So lead traders also enjoy many benefits including profit sharing, commission card, kickback and more. So if you want to copy a trade from a trader, you just need to select the trader and select the copy menu. It's going to automatically activate it for you. So depending on the amount you'll be using to invest, you can decide to copy 100%. You can also decide to copy at least maybe 50% of their trades, or in a way that suits your portfolio or the amount in your wallet. So that's basically how this works. So also there's a commission from your profit. If you make 100% profit, 90% usually goes to you, while 10% is goes to the lead traders. I think that's basically it. And for now, there are not much charges at all for utilizing these services. So guys, that's all. Feel free to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your buy keys. Stay safe, stay tuned for more. Peace out, one love, and see you in our future uploads.